Here are the top 7 Windows 11 settings you should change right now. Number 1. Windows Update Options. To start, open the Settings app by either searching for it in the taskbar or using the Windows key plus I shortcut. Once you're in the Settings app, select Windows Update on the top. Now click on Advanced Options on the right. Here, I recommend disabling the Get Me Up to Date option to prevent your computer from restarting immediately after an update, especially during important projects. Additionally, enable the Notify Me when a restart is required to finish updating option to receive a notification for updates that require a restart. Number 2. Change Start Button Alignment. By default, Windows 11 centers the Start button and pinned icons on the taskbar, deviating from the traditional left alignment. However, if you prefer the classic layout, you can easily change it. Right-click on a space on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down and click on Taskbar Behaviors. In the Taskbar Alignment section, change the drop-down menu from center to left. Switching back is just as simple. Number 3. Change Privacy Settings. Windows 11 collects more data than previous versions, but you can control what they know about you. Open the Settings app, then select Privacy. Turn off any unnecessary settings as they are not required for your system. Next, click Account Info. Disable the Allow Apps Access Your Account Info option to further enhance your privacy. Number 4. Enable Dark Mode. If you find the default light mode too bright for your liking, Windows 11 offers a simple solution: Dark Mode. Open the Settings app, go to Personalization, and select Colors. In the Choose Your Mode section, click the drop-down menu and select Dark. Number 5. Remove Bloatware. Unnecessary pre-installed software, also known as bloatware, can clutter your system. To remove it, open the Settings app and navigate to Apps. Simply click on the unwanted program and select Uninstall. Confirm your choice by clicking Uninstall again, and voila, a cleaner system. Number 6. Stop notifications. Annoying notifications can disrupt your workflow. To gain control over them, open the Settings app and click on System. Inside the System settings, navigate to Notifications. At the top, you have the option to turn off all notifications from apps and senders. Alternatively, scroll down the list and individually disable specific notifications that you find distracting. Number 7. Change PC name. If you have multiple computers on your network, giving each one a custom name can make them easier to identify. To change your computer's name, open the Settings app, click on System, and scroll down to select About. Inside the About settings, click on Rename this PC. Now, enter the custom name you prefer and click Next. For the changes to take effect, restart your computer by clicking Restart Now. And there you have it. These 7 settings will optimize your Windows 11 experience.